So today I'm about to show you how to pin important notes in NotebookLM. First, open NotebookLM and jump into your active workspace. Whenever you chat with AI, it generates a brilliant insight, summary, or structured list. Do not let it get lost in your scrolling chat logs. Look right beneath that specific AI response and click the Save to Note button. The moment you click it, NotebookLM will instantly pin that insight as a permanent card in your noteboard right above the chat box. You can also pin your own custom thoughts by opening the Studio panel, scrolling to the Notes section, and clicking Add Note to write or paste your own content. Pro tip, you can pin up to 1,000 notes per notebook. If a pinned note becomes incredibly critical to your ongoing research, you can actually weaponize it. Just click the 3 vertical dots on that pinned note and select Convert to Source. This instantly moves your pinned note over to your main source directory on the left side, forcing the AI to index and cross-reference your own saved insights. And that's it. That's how to pin important notes in NotebookLM Studio. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.